Good morning, kids. Let us learn the two-letter words and please learn and write with us.
Yay!
So let us start. A N A
A and
A M A
A and
A yes S
A S and
A T A
A B and
B E B.
B E B
Very good. B Y Y
B Y Y
D O U
D O U
G O Go
G O Go
H E He
H E G
Very good. Then H I Hi
H I Hi
I F E
I F E
I N In
I N N
I yes is
I S E
very good. Then next I T eat
I D it
Yum E me
M E me
very good students. Repeat with me. Yum Y my
M Y my
very good. N O no
N O no
then other words O R O
O R O
O very good. Then O N O
O N on
yes O so
S O so
T O two
T O two
L I lie
L I lie
W E B
W E B
E N N.
N.
O. X. Ox.
Ox. Ox.
Very good. K. A. Car.
K. A. Car.
Just revise it, students. Let us start. N. M. S. At B.
N. M. S. At B.
Very good. And other one. Buy, do, go, he, hi.
Buy, do, go, eat, high.
Very good, students. Repeat with me. If, in, is, it, me.
Is, in, is, it, me.
My, no, or, on, so.
My, no, or, on, so.
Yes. To, we, an, ox, car.
To, we, and, ox, car.
Very good. Last is L-I lie and K-I kai.
L, lie, and K, kai.
Very good. Repeat, students, this at home. Thank you very much to watching our video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.